knows pop rocks? You don't even know them by the sound that they make when you eat them. So, for my MOS today, I'm going to do an experiment with pop rocks. It's really a myth though. The myth is, when you eat pop rocks and you drink Coke at the same time, your stomach will explode. But I'm going to find out if this is really true. So, for this experiment, you need a grinder, one balloon, one 20-ounce container of Coke, some pop rocks, a cup, and a funnel. Some more pop rocks. So, to start things off, I'm going to tell you how pop rocks are made. Well, they're made just like any other candy that you've had. You know, like Jolly Ranchers, mints, anything like that. They all start off with the basic filling, that's the candy part. So, after they make the candy part, they inject carbon dioxide into each pop rock. And that's what makes it pop. See? Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to tell you that you don't need liquid in your mouth or anything in your mouth to make pop rocks work. So you're going to take some of your pop rocks and pour it into the grinder, just like this. Okay, just like that. As you can see, they're in there like that. Then, take this, take the other part of the grinder. I'm not eating any pop rocks right now or anything. I just press on them. If you can hear, they pop, just like they do in your mouth. So, it's a little weird, but they pop off. So that's popping. So it's just when they get pressure, or when the coating of the candy melts away, it triggers the CO2 to be released and causes that pop. So we're gonna take your Coke, open it up. I just bought this from the store. Make sure it doesn't fizz all over the place. Use my tapping experiment that I used earlier. Okay, looks clear. I'm just going to open this up really quick, just like this. Pour some in the cup. Fill up the cup as much as you want. It's your opinion on how much you want. Come on, fill up the Coke. You'll see why later in the experiment. Set the Coke in the cup aside. Then, keep your Coke out in the front. Then, grab your balloon, grab one of your pop rocks, grab your funnel, stick the funnel in the balloon, open up your pop rocks, and simply pour the pop rocks into the funnel. Shake them in there. Make sure they're all in there. Oops. Be careful though. Once you get most of them in there, just like that, you're simply just going to, there you go. Oh wait, Didn't get any in there. If they're not coming out of the funnel, simply blow up. And then they should start coming up like this. Or you can just, if that's not working, like it's not for me, just dump the pop rocks in there. Try and get as much of them as possible into there. Fell some out, some of them fell out, so I'm just going to put them in there. This will not affect your experiment, just to let you know. Okay, so there you go. You got some pop rocks in there. As you can see, there's some pop rocks. You're going to open up your Coke. Just like that. Set the cap aside. Take the balloon, place it over the balloon. Ooh, careful. Snap it over there like that. Don't put the balloon. Now, the pop rocks in the balloon are acting as pop rocks. The Coke is acting as Coke. And the balloon is acting as your stomach. So this is a reenactment of what would happen in your stomach. Just simply pour them in. As you can see, the balloon just barely fills up. There's not a big boom or anything. So, this is your stomach. It's not going to blow up your stomach. If the balloon didn't burst, your stomach's not going to burst. So the myth is fake. Now, if you this balloon did not get very big. So again, this myth is fake. So I would say it's safe to have some pop rocks. Put them in your mouth and drink Coke. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. See you next year.